Prime Minister of Uganda, Nabbanja, has officially announced the launch of Uganda's mandatory National Cleaning Day to foster civic duty and public health. Scheduled for the last Saturday of every month, the initiative officially kicks off on Saturday, July 25th to 26th, running from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. under the national theme, The Clean Environment for a Cleaner Nation. All citizens, local businesses, and municipal authorities are expected to participate by unblocking drainage systems, sweeping public roads, and collecting waste. The government directive temporarily halts non-essential vehicular movement and commercial operations during these 3 designated hours to ensure total public compliance. Here is what she technically says: 8 a.m. to 10 a.m.
The National Cleaning Days initiative runs under the slogan, "A clean Uganda is everybody's responsibility." The initiative establishes the last Saturday of every month from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. as a National Cleaning Day, during which all Ugandans are expected to participate in community cleaning activities. Her Excellency the Vice President will officially launch this initiative on behalf of His Excellency the President on Saturday 25th July 2026 at Tikiti Zone, Kisenyi 3 Parish, Kampala Central Division, starting at 7 a.m. The Vice President will participate in inaugural cleaning activities together with other government leaders, religious and cultural leaders, and members of the general public. Unnecessary movements of persons and vehicles is strictly prohibited during the 3 hours of cleaning activities. Exemptions will only be made for genuine emergencies and essential vehicles such as ambulances, fire and rescue services, and security operations. I urge all motorists, businesses, and members of the general public to plan accordingly. For 3 hours, let Uganda stop and clean.
Now joining the call to action, former lawmaker Honorable Odonga voiced strong endorsement for the government initiative. Reacting to the announcement, Otto described the national cleanup exercise as a noble cause and urged all Ugandans to turn out in large numbers to participate. He emphasized that physically engaging in community cleaning acts as an essential mindset reset, reminding citizens of the importance of personal accountability when managing everyday waste and encouraging everyone to dispose of garbage responsibly moving forward. Highlighting his personal dedication to ecological causes, Otto stated, "I will clean. I have always been an environmental activist," while extending appreciation to Prime Minister Nabbanja and President Museveni for driving the campaign. Otto's enthusiastic reaction reflects a broad, unifying sentiment around environmental sustainability by framing sanitation as a collective civic duty rather than a routine government task. His endorsement reinforces the core vision of the monthly exercise, establishing long-term environmental discipline in both urban centers and rural villages. As the nation readies for the inaugural session, community leaders of this campaign will curb sanitation-related illness, prevent urban flooding caused by blocked channels, and build a cleaner nation for future generations.